When all such things are set, your location is set, brand name is set, everything is full and final, then you should know about the dimensions of your salon. Whatever you want to open, a parlor or a saloon, then what will be the size of it? For example, if you want to open a parlor and a saloon, in that case, mainly 1200 square meter to 2000 square meter area is sufficient. Greater dimensions are admissible, but shorter dimensions will lead to a congested saloon. So finalize your area between 1200 square meter to 2000 square meter. This area is divided in four separate parts. First part is reception area and sitting area. Second is hair lobby, then beauty cabin, then spa and manicure and pedicure sections. Saloon is divided in many sections so that client does not face any type of inconvenience. For example, shampoo section, beauty section, makeup room section should be separate from each other. These should be the main parts of one saloon, whereas storage space should be separately located. Storage of all raw materials, cosmetics, etc. should be done separately. Apart from this, one pantry should also be there in which you can get tea or snacks arranged for your client and staff. A staff room cabin is also required in which staff can take rest during the resting time. When we talk about the staff, it becomes a challenge for the saloon owner. Challenge in the means of appointing a well-educated, trained and skilled staff. It became even more challenging when saloon owner or business person requires skilled staff on immediate basis, but staff is not available to him or her. Rather than hiring unskilled or untrained staff, it is better to wait and appoint only well-skilled, well-trained and well-experienced staff. One can hire lesser number of staff members so that they can be paid their salary package properly. Once the confidence among the staff is built, more staff is automatically arranged for the owner. You should hire staff with all terms and conditions. In various cities, there are many high-level beauty and hair academies are present, which provides very good skills to their students and candidates. By making the contacts with such academies and once terms and conditions can be discussed, you can hire the staff. Professional and experienced staff plays a very important role in making a business successful because success of a saloon mostly depend upon the employees of the saloon, that is the technical staff and expert staff. Expert staff handles your clients better, treat your client, provide the service to your clients. So more is the number of times the client will come back and also bring new clients for you to have better service. A good technical staff not only provides very good services but also give you idea about the new plans by which you can expand your business. They also help in preparing new packages. They also have speaking skills which help them to prepare a client which come for one service before leaving should think about other service also. These services are suggested to others by your clients so that they also come and have a good service which will enhance your business. Others also help in many other ways like a clients come to you for a bridal packages and your technical staff is very good in that part, then they can get ready the client for pre-bridal and post-bridal services which will automatically enhance your business. And the expert staff gives their best, the client will recommend your services to its near and dears. Because here you are not generating a new product. It is your staff which is generating more business for you by using their skills. So a successful business depends upon a good staff.